How you doing there, everybody? I'm here today. I'm just trying to figure out, I bought this new DJI Osmo Pocket charging case and have had a few troubles, I guess you could say, with it. It's brand new and it's been into DJI 3 times now. Their service department has been really good, trying to help me out, but I don't think they quite understand what the issue is. Because this case, I bought it because the idea was this could give me an extra charge when I'm out and about and I don't have a wall plug-in to use. It's got built-in batteries and you should be able to put your camera in it and get an extra charge out of it. So first things first is I tried to charge it and I left it on for 48 hours the first time. And remember, this has gone on 3 different times with DJI. So I've gone through this multiple times over and over. Now, I have tried, this is the cord from my DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, and this is the charging block. They suggested that I use a 5 volt 2 amp charging block, and this is from my Oculus, as well as I have a second charging block from my Samsung phone, which is 5 volt 2 amp. I've got 2 different types of charging cables. So I've tried it with multiple cables, multiple charging blocks, but I cannot get a charge on this unit. So the one thing I can do is I can charge my camera inside here, and my camera gets up to a nice full charge, but I don't really need a case to charge my camera. I need this case to be able to get a charge when I'm away from a power supply. Apparently, well, I shouldn't say apparently, this Type-C port here flashes when you have it plugged in, and it'll flash a white light. And I was reading that it should, once this gets fully charged, change to a green light. It never does change to a green light. Now, there's also a nice little green light hidden here behind this fabric, and when it's charging the camera, that will flash until it gets a full charge on the camera. It starts off with just a single blink, and as the camera gets full, it gets to 4 blinks rapid. I guess it would be 4 blinks rapidly, and that continues in that manner. It builds up from 1 to 4 over time. Anyways, I'm going to do a couple of tests with this to show you, and if anybody has some input here or has had this experience, put it in the comments below, please. That first of all, we'll try to put a charge on this case. I'll leave it on through the evening, and I'll put, let's say 12 hours charge. That should be plenty of time, I would imagine, to get a charge on this case if the batteries are working in here. I will then deplete my camera of any charge. So my camera here right now has a charge of 79%. So I'll bring this down. I'll try to get it down below 20%. And then if this has any charge in it, when I put it into this case, then it should rise up from 20%, I would believe. So we'll try that. And then if that does not work, I'll also show you how it works to charge it when it's in the case. So if you have any of these problems, you can see what I've done as well. Okay, so let's go to the charging. Okay, so I have set this one up on charge. Well, the camera is depleting its charge in it, and that will take quite a while. So I'll leave this on charge for minimum 4 hours to see if we get any green lights flashing on the front panel, or if the light up top changes green around the USB port. Apparently that light's supposed to change color when it's fully charged. Now, this unit has been sitting on charge previously for over 48 hours, and nothing changed with it. So let's see how the next 4 hours go here to see if we get even any indication that it will add a charge to the camera. Okay, 4 hours later, no change. Okay, 8 hours later, no change. Okay, 12 hours later, no change. Okay, with this not changing for us here, I've got my camera, I've depleted it to 0. I'm going to put the camera inside the case. Okay, so we're gonna plug this in now, and we can see our light starts flashing on the top, and we get a single pulse green light here in the charging of the camera. Now it'll go like this, like I said, one single pulse as it's charging, and as it gets up through, I believe, every 25%, it'll add another blip of the green light in there until it gets 4 rapid blips, and then it'll be fully charged. Problem is still don't get any charge from anything. So we're going to disconnect this here. We'll open this up. Now, I saw one video before where the guy closed it up and then there was a green blip on the screen, but I get nothing. Okay, so I do not know why or what the reason is. So we'll leave it in there. It's got 0 charge on that, and we'll see what happens here. I'll leave it for the next 2 hours and see if we get anything of a charge. Okay, so it has been well over 3 hours, and I'm just back here to be able to take care of this. So let's see. Set up the camera here, and I will take this out of here. Okay. Let's see if we have a charge on here. Did we have anything? Won't open up. Still no charge on the camera. No, not enough power in there. Okay. Okay, so we went through the charging process with the block. Now, I've done this with multiple blocks, not just these 2 that I've got here. I've actually tried 3 different blocks. And we can get a charge on the camera itself. It charges up, and in that short time, I've just got 8% on here. So it needs to sit on charge here tonight, but I can get power on there. How do we proceed? I'm not sure. I'm hoping DJI will actually have a look at this and try to understand, because every time they check it out, they seem to be checking it with a camera in it and not checking to see that it actually will hold a charge and charge the camera like it's supposed to. Hopefully this next go around for the fourth time will actually get done. I like this old Pocket One, but I don't know. I'm starting to wonder if I should upgrade to the Pocket 3 now, and if I really want to now. Okay, thank you for joining me. Bye.